In this video, I will show you how to stake Solana using Gem Wallet so you can turn your crypto into a source of passive income. I will guide you through the entire process from setting up your wallet to selecting the best validators. And if you don't know what staking is, it's a process of locking up your cryptocurrency to support a blockchain. And in return, you earn rewards. And from the investment perspective, the entire process is very similar to traditional savings accounts. You just deposit your funds to earn interest. But staking in general offers higher returns and daily distributions. Plus, you can unstake your crypto at any time. And to get started, you need to get yourself a Gem wallet. It's available on Google Play and App Store, and you can get it using the link in the cards. And down below, you can see the current Sol staking calculator. Today's APR is 7.8% and APR is annual percentage rate. So if you were to stake 100 Sol, your estimated annual returns would be 7.8 Sol, which is quite a lot. And staking is great because it allows you to store your crypto and make money on it at the same time. Once you download your Gem wallet, you'll first have to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet if you ever used Solana before. And you just click Import Wallet, click Solana, and put in your secret recovery phrase or private key to import your wallet. Or if you used Gem wallet on any other device and you have the seed phrase, you can also import your multi-chain wallet. Another way is to create a brand new wallet, and first you have to write down this recovery phrase on a piece of paper and make sure you don't show it to anyone, because if you were to type this recovery phrase right now into your own Gem wallet, you would have access to this wallet. So make sure you never share your seed phrase with anyone. And you have to write it down because now you have to confirm that you actually know your recovery phrase. And once you click continue, you created your new wallet. But I will go back to the wallet number 1 because I already loaded up some Solana for this video. And the process of staking with Gem wallet is very simple. First, you have to get some Solana onto your wallet. I already loaded up a tiny amount of Solana to show you how to stake it. However, if you have no Sol, you can click receive and you can send yourself Solana from exchange or different Solana wallet. Or if you want, you can also buy Solana using a credit card straight inside your wallet. You can use different providers and obviously they will have different payment methods and different rates. So just use the one which suits you best. And once you got Solana on your wallet, you just go down here and click stake. And right here, you have information what is the current APR, and APR can change daily. It all depends on the current state of the network. And here you have lock time, which is 3 days. And if you click that information button, you'll get redirected to the Gem wallet website, which will explain to you what lock time is. And in short, is a time you have to wait between you unstake your tokens and the moment you will get them in your wallet. And pretty much every single chain has lock time, so you'll have to wait a couple of days to get back your unstaked tokens. So let's go back. Right now, click stake. And here we click on allnodes.com, and now we have a list of different validators. And as you can see, different validators offer different APR. So for the sake of this video, I will choose Allnodes. And also, what's very important, they say in their name that they have 0% fees, and fees for staking on Solana are from 0% to 10% for the validators because they have to pay their own expenses for running the nodes. And currently, you don't have an option to check what are the fees for each validators inside your wallet. So you would have to do your own research using Google. And if currently this validator doesn't have any fees, it doesn't mean that he won't have further fees in the future. So also keep that in mind. But if you already picked your validator, now you have to specify how much Sol you want to stake. And you can click max. However, make sure that you leave some Solana in your wallet to actually perform the transaction. You have to pay a fee for every transaction on Solana blockchain. So instead of staking 0.02, I will stake 0.01. Once you select the desired amount of SOL, you just click continue. You can check if everything is correct. And right here you can see the current network fee. Right now it's less than a penny. So if everything is correct, you just click confirm. And now we can go to activity and we can see that our staking is currently pending because we had to wait for the transaction to process. And if you click right here, you can see the current status. The transaction was successful, and you can also see the transaction on Solana FM, which is a blockchain explorer, which allows you to go in depth on what actually happened in this transaction. Right now, let's go back to our Solana wallet. And below you can see what is our current available balance of our Solana wallet and what is the amount we staked. So to manage our stake tokens, just click stake. And you can see right here that current staking process is activating and it will be active in 1 day and 7 hours. After this time, you will start getting rewards for Solana every single day. And at any moment, you can click unstake and get back your rewards. And as I mentioned previously, every blockchain has lock time. For Solana, it's 3 days. So you have to wait additional 3 days to get back your Solana. So make sure you only stake the Solana that you don't plan to sell or use for any different trades like trading meme coins or buying NFTs. So that would be it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any updates on Gem Wallet and other tutorials on cryptocurrencies.